today we're going to show you like one of the major issues that we are solving in cloud workflows. I would say there are two issues today, is like how to understand what's happening behind cloud workflow, because it's a bit intangible. So we introduced the NOC in the past, the Network Operations Center, that gave really visibility and control to the engineer. And today we are introducing you what gives like control and transparency to the producers, news director, to know like and forecast what will it cost them to adapt their workflows. If one day they want to do one camera, two camera, like to have in real time, what will be the impact on their costs for any cloud production distribution. Okay, so the big difference, so here on that interface, we see an example of workflow. The big difference that we are showcasing is that people don't have to anymore to use a full application to do what they want. Let's say you have a full cloud production platform available, like it can cost a lot of money to run the entire platform. But with our architecture, with a lot of microservices, we are able to really charge for the microservice that people use, for the function that they use, and the computing power that it requires. So that can drop the cost sometime down to 70, 80%. A good example is like, let's say you want to run an application. I was giving one where a customer today is using like our application for remote commentaries and combining that with graphics. In today's situation, we had to like offer our TVU remote commentator application and our TVU producer application for the graphic part. But now with our flexible platform, we are able to just bring together the remote commentaries and the graphic into one isolated user interface, and therefore dropping down the cost massively. So we've made our platform very open. Now you don't have to buy per hour, per subscription. All you need to do is like buy a certain number of tokens, and you have access to the entire media platform. You can do one day playout, the other day production, the other day you just want to ingest 100 sources. It's up to whatever you want to do, and you can scale up and down at any moment. And in just a few clicks, you can decide to change, for example, the resolution of your video, remove one or two feeds, and automatically it will let you know here the cost in terms of token. And you can actually just take a breakdown of what you want to do right away, and it tells you what are the elements of your workflow that are consuming the most resources and therefore that cost the most. And you can in like 1 minute play with it and choose like maybe what is the best workflow that will meet your audience and meet your budget as well. Okay, so this is a cool introduction to NAB, and thank you for your time.